Hey guys, at this time I'm going to read the perimeter and area worksheet that we have, and I want to read it to you just as we would if we were in class. So feel free to pause the video and work out your problems on your scratch paper, and then you can go back in and input the answers or however you would like to do it. So we'll start with number 1. It says Carly drew quadrilaterals A and B. Which quadrilateral has a perimeter of 28 inches? Number 2, how much greater is the perimeter of quadrilateral A than the perimeter of quadrilateral B? Number 3, Benjamin builds a fence in the shape of a triangle. Each side of the fence is the same length. If the perimeter is 36 feet, how long is each side of the fence? Number 4, Anton puts a rail around his patio. The patio is in the shape of a rectangle with side lengths of 7 feet and 9 feet. What is the perimeter of Anton's patio? Number 5, Alexander makes this nameplate from wood in art class. What is the perimeter of the nameplate? Number 6, Iris sews a border around a blanket. The blanket has side lengths that are 4 feet and 6 feet. The border material costs $2 for each foot. How much does Iris pay for the border? Number 7, Heideke makes a quilt that has a length of 6 feet and an area of 36 feet. If he increases the length to 8 feet and the width stays the same, how much will the area increase? This is a tricky one. You're going to have to draw this one out. Number 8, Marina makes tablecloths. Each unit square is 1 square meter. She continues the pattern shown below. What is the area of the next tablecloth? Number 9, Brianna is coloring a bookmark. Each unit square is 1 square inch. Which multiplication equation can be used to find the area of the bookmark? And number 10, Marina is painting a tile design for her porch. Each square tile is 1 square foot. What is the area of the design? And guys, feel free to pause the video after each question so that you can work it out. And then please reach out to me if you guys have any questions. Don't forget that area means multiply and perimeter means add. And so feel free to show your work. And if you guys want to send that to me, you definitely can. Or if you want to go over it, we will at the end of the week. Have a great week.